Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Just going to show you my new greenhouse. As you can see, I've lined it up with this white Mylar. It's black and white sheeting, as you can see there. I've got this all second hand, so it's not cost me much. And this is the old greenhouse, which is a bit of a mess. It needs sorting out. I've got some fans and filters down there to keep the moisture out. These are my old grow lights under there. Just switching them on. All this is going to get tidied up for the next couple of days, and then I can get everything, start sowing some seeds in here. There's my heater propagator. Like I said, everything is just a mess. I've got a nice, I think that's 150 watt light there with a nice little container. There we go. And this is the most exciting bit though. All this extra space. The sun is shining and it's reflecting really well. Might put some shelves up there. But this is what I'm doing today, just unboxing, I'm doing these. Some new flower seeds that I've arrived from Thompson & Morgan. So here we go, let's have a look, see what's in here. I think I ordered 8 or 10 packets, I'm not quite sure. Okay, shall we? Right, that's a list of my seeds. Nearly all off. Hey, like Christmas. Really look forward to this bit. Little catalogue that you normally get. So here we go. So I don't know how you pronounce that. Agashi, Arontia, Apricot Sprite, Xanthus Dwarf Bouquet Mix, Karma Blue Butterfly F1 Hybrid, Gypsophilia, which I'm looking forward to sowing. I love Gypsophilia. Lavandula Spicarosa, nice hardy perennial, looking forward to growing that. There we go. Saponaria Osimoides, hardy perennial. Cornflower, that's a nice hardy perennial. Verbascum Snow Maiden, looking forward to growing that as well. Clitoria Butterfly Peas, yeah, looking forward to growing them definitely. And then Calceolite Hybrid Sunset Mix, that's a greenhouse plant, so I can sort that, that's a definite that. And anyway, Floribunda Starburst. So how many packets is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 packets. So I've got a lot of work to over the next few days. This is just at the right height, this. So I'm really looking forward to it. I can get the chair underneath there, get sat on here, and I've got all this extra space, which I'm so looking forward to using. So yeah, over the next few days I'll get my greenhouse properly cleaned out, get my compost ready and my perlite and vermiculite, and we shall start taking some cutting, get some plants in and sowing some new plants. So yeah, if you keep posted, if you're a subscriber, you'll get a message saying I'm uploading a new video, and that'll be over the next few days. So yeah, if you like the videos, please subscribe and please give me a thumbs up, and remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you, bye.